Hello viewers, I am Kamrujaman from withthelearners.com. Welcome to our web design tutorial. This is our 7th tutorial on web design. Our today's topic is HTML table. In this video tutorial, I will practically show you how to create a HTML table, and at the last of this video, I will make a nice table like this. So keep stay with me from beginning to last of this video tutorial. Our previous topic was on HTML input, submit button, form, radio button, checkbox. If you missed, don't worry about that. Just visit my website www.withthelearners.com and then select web development and basic HTML. You will find all the tutorial list. Okay, now I am going back to our today's topic. Our today's topic is HTML table. HTML table is very important to make a HTML table, page layout, or create a email templates, etc. So I will practically show you how to make a HTML table. A HTML table is start from table tag, that is table. Table tag, it's a double tag, so we need to close it. Inside table we have to create row and column. So row is tr, that is table row, it's also a double tag, so we need to close it, and inside our row we need to create a column or table data, that is called cell, so that is td and td. Now you have to add more td if you want more table cell. Like I want here 3 cell, so I add here 3 td. Okay, that is table data, that is item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, if you want border, just add more attributes, add a new attribute, that is border. I will talk about more about border, more talk about the HTML table attributes. So border, for make a border, if you don't use it, it will look like this. Just Ctrl S, save and run with your browser and see. We have created a table but there is no border, so we need the border. Okay, Ctrl S. Now run with your browser and see that we have created a table with border. So but if you want add more row, just add more tier. Okay, so for our single row we add here tier. If we want 3, 4, 5, 6, just add as you want. I want here 2 row, and inside every tier we have to add our td. I want 3 for all row, for each row, td and td, and that is item 1, item 2, item 3, sorry 3. Now I am copying it and paste in our second row. This is our second row, this is our first row, so I rename it to cell 1, cell 2, cell 3. Now Ctrl S to save and run with your browser and see the result. We have a table with 3 columns, that is our 3 cell 1, 2, 3. Generally we can create a table using those tags, 3 tags, that is table, tier and td. But there are also more tags of HTML table, that is TAs for table heading. Okay, TAs, we can use the TAs for table heading. Okay, and T head for table heading. Actually T is used for cell heading, and T head used for table heading. There are also more tags like T body that is used for table body. T body. All tags are double tag. There are also more tags like T foot for table footer. Okay, those are actually used for advanced level, like use a make a table for email templates or other use. There are also more tables like TD caption. It's determined table caption. C call used for column group. Call used for determine values of more columns inside table. T head used for heading. T body used for body. T foot used for table footer. But generally we can create a table using table tier and also using TS. Now I will show you how to use a cell heading. Okay, I am just deleting and creating a new table, tier. Okay, I need 2 row. Okay, now inside our tier, that's mean table row, we want add 2 cell, TD and TD. Okay, I want copy and paste inside our second row. So in our first row I want add here I want to create a pricing table that is course or plan, course, and the price, and our course name, suppose web design, and the price is $50. Okay, now Ctrl S to save. Now run with your browser and see we have a general table. There is no heading, so we want to add a heading. So we can add a cell heading that is called TS, also called the table heading, that start for TS. So just I want to change it to table heading, price also heading. Now Ctrl S to save and run with your browser and see our course and price is showing as heading. We can add more row here. Ctrl D to duplicate all. Okay, just changing the course name and price. Okay, now we have more row. Now Ctrl S to save and run with your browser and see the result. We have our table heading and the courses name and price. The those are as a general table cell, and the top one is our table heading. So we can add heading as TS, and remember that TS and TD work as same, but TS used for table heading and TD used for a general cell. Okay, now I will show you how to divide cell into more columns. Like see that our telephone is divided into 3 columns. That is our this cell is divided into 3 columns. So easily we can do it using a attribute that is name the call span, that is column span. Okay, I want here 2 row, close the tier and Ctrl D to duplicate, and each row First one we want here TAs, that is table heading, and second one also table heading, and I want here the name, and the second one is our telephone number. Okay, now in our second row I want to add here 4 TD. Okay, see, we have 4 cell, 1 2 3 4, 4 cell, 2 3 4. Okay, first one is name, and others is telephone number. Okay, now save it and run with your browser, and see that we have two row, but our telephone is on divide into 3 columns. Okay, this row is on divide into 3 columns, that is it's divide into 4 columns, but telephone is on divide into 3 columns. So what to do, just we have to add a attribute in our telephone, that is row span equal. So here are 3 columns, so our row span must be 3, not 4, because bottom of telephone there are 3 columns, so we need span 3, so row span 3. Now Ctrl S and run with your browser, and see there is problem might be, sorry, I add here a wrong attribute. It's must be call span, COL, call SPEN, call span. Now Ctrl S, save and run with your browser, and see the result. Our telephone is divided into 3 cell. Okay, 3 column. Our this row column is divided into 3 column. Okay, so we can add more attributes row, like Control D, D, D. Now I am changing the values. Okay, now we have different rows with different name, more row with different name. Now save and run with your browser, and see the result. We have three we have divided our one cell into 3 column. Okay, so just using the call span, if you have 2 column 2 TD, you can use here 3 TD, you can use here 2 for divide into 2. Okay, I am deleting one from each tier. Okay, now Ctrl S to save and run with your browser, and see the result. We have divided our one cell into 2 column because our call span is 2. Okay, now we want to divide our cell into row. See, we have one cell and 3 rows, so we want to divide our cell into 3 rows. So how can we do it? We can do it using the attribute named row span. I practically show you how to do it. We need here 2 row, okay, like this, a name and telephone. So 2 row, tier, and Control D to duplicate. Inside tier we have 2 column. First one is our TAs for table heading, and second one is our TD, so table data for general cell. Okay, first one is our name, and the name, and second one was our TA's telephone. and we have one data that is our telephone number, and those are from other row. Okay, I will practically show you the matter. Okay, TS and TD and telephone number. Okay, now we need more row, so tier, and inside tier we need TD for table data. Okay, now Ctrl D to duplicate to create another row. Okay, now I want to add here telephone number. Okay, now we have first row is for our this one, and our second one is for uh, this telephone number and this number. Okay, and our third one is for this, and our fourth one is for this. Now Ctrl S to save and run with your browser and see the result. Our telephone, beside our telephone we have a cell, and other cell are not in here, so we need here, and we want to divide it into 3 rows. So how can we do it? So we need telephone spacing, that is our row spacing. So TS row span equal, how many rows are there? There are 3 rows, so 3. Ctrl S. Now run with your browser or refresh and see the result. We have successfully divided our cell into 3 rows. So first one is our for heading, and second one is our telephone, and uh, beside our telephone we have a telephone number for first one. Okay, this for this one, and our third and fourth is was on the bottom of telephone, but we need to beside here to divide into 3. So we have added our row span 3 to make 3 row. Okay, I think you are better understand this. Okay, now I will practically show you how to make a empty cell. It's very easy to do. Just keep empty a table data. I want here 2 row, 2 row. Inside our row I need here 3 TD, item 1, and duplicating. Okay, just copying, paste. Okay, now I want keep the second item is empty, just delete the elements. Okay, and I want the first one is empty, so just delete it and Ctrl S. Now run with your browser and see the result. Our second one and first one is empty. Second one is empty in our first row, and second one is first one is empty in our second row. Okay, now I will talk about some attributes, HTML attributes we can use in table, and now we are in final round to make a nice table. Here are some attributes you can read from my website style. I practically show you at the first of this video. That's mean you can, using a style, you can create a background color or front color, or you can use padding, etc. Okay, I practically show you how to do it, and you can also use the white at the first of video I also showed it. And you can also add border, call span, I already show the call span, row span, and cell padding, cell spacing. We can also create cell padding, cell spacing. Okay, I will practically show you how to do it. And background, we need not use it because in style we can use our background. So but if you want, you can also create background equal your color, or you can also use image. I also show you how to use image. And align to make align of a content, like a center, left or right. Okay, now we are in final round to make a nice table and using those attributes. So keep stay with me and carefully and attractively show this. What's this? Look at our table. We have a nice heading of the table, that is a recent book list. So and it's also a background color, and we change the text color. And also here you can see the background color, and some are tables for available uh, quantity, and the price, and the book name. So we want to create this table. So first we need a we need some rows, like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we need here 7 row. So I am just creating some rows, tier for our row, and control D, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, first one is our for table heading. So we add here TAs for table heading, and in the TAs, before that I want to clear about some attributes of table. Look, our table wide is 100%. Okay, and cell spacing is 10 and border is 1. Now I want to run with your browser and see our table is 100% wide, and the cell padding, that is our cell, every cell padding is 10 pixel. Okay, and the border is 1. Okay, now in our second row, okay, in our second row we have 3 heading. Okay, so first one is bigger than other, so it's I add here the value. I will show you. First we need 3 heading, so TAs and TAs, and first one is white 50%. Okay, and other table are white 25%, 25%. Okay, total 100%. Okay, now first one is our book name, second one is available, and third one is price. Control S to save. Now run with your browser and see the result. We have a table heading, and our book place, their first book name is 50%, and available is 25, and price is 25. But our recent book list is not in 100% like this table. Okay, so why it's happened? So in few minutes ago I show you that about the call selling. Okay, call spacing, so span. So we need here call span. Our call span must be 3 for 3 columns. So this will be add here 3 span. Okay, so our this one is for ts call span equal 3. Okay, now Control S and run with your browser and see the result. Our book list is now 100% white. Now we need to add more rows. Okay, just Control C to copy and paste in our second row. We need here TD for general data and general cell. TD our book name, we can add here name and price and available. Okay, book name like Harry Potter. Okay, available, that is price suppose $50. Okay, Control S to save. Now I want to quickly copy this. Before copy I want to design, because we have a background here. Okay, so we need to add background and also the font size. Okay, so I want to stylish this. Okay, so TD style equal the background color. So background hash, we have to add here color. So I will show you how to you get color code. You can add here black, like black, white, etc. But I will show you how to get the hexacode, because in modern web designing you have to add the hexacode. Okay, if you have Photoshop, you can easily get the hexacode from Photoshop. Just open your Photoshop and or other picture editor and then click here, just okay, color picker, and here you can select any color and just copy the code. Just Control C to copy and just with hash paste. Okay, I want to add here font size, font size 20 pixel. Okay, 20 pixel, and the align equal to left. Okay, now Control S save to and see the result. Run with your browser and see the result. Our Harry Potter background color is changed and our Harry Potter uh, font size is bigger than general text, and we want add here to center. Okay, so just align center and also it. Now Control S save and run with your browser and see the result. Okay, now I am quickly copy this code. Okay, now we have different uh, content in various row. Okay, now Control S to save and now run with your browser and see the result. Our Harry Potter book thief, broken angel, every book background has changed, but we want here the background, change the background of recent book list, so we can easily do it. So it's in our TAs. So TAs style equal background hash the background color. Okay, I want here font color, so just color. The font size, is 26 pixel. Okay, font weight, IGST font weight 600. Okay, now Control S to save and run with your browser and see the result. Okay, now you can also change this if you want. You can also change those color. Okay, just add here style to change the color. Okay, but I don't want to change. This is your homework, just change this. Okay, it's very easy to do. Change the color, size, etc. When we learn CSS, we haven't work hard to write or design our code, because we can easily design our HTML text using CSS. So all our background, color, font size, all are CSS properties. So we will talk details about when we learn CSS. So at last we have created a nice table. So this is today is end. Our next video tutorial we will publish soon. So keep stay with us. This video tutorial is quite long because I practically show all the parts one by one. So keep stay with me and subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe our keep stay with our fan page, and like our social media fan page like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Our Facebook fan page is facebook.com/wlearners. Twitter is wlearners. Twitter.com/wlearners. Pinterest.com/wlearners. And subscribe our YouTube channel. I again request you to subscribe our YouTube channels to get our latest updates. And if you have any question, comment in our comment section. Okay, we will uh, try our best to solve your problem. Thanks for watching.